Students, open your books, page 23, document F and document G. This is the experiment. In this experiment, what do you see? We see a test tube, and inside this test tube, there is maltose. Maltose is a sugar, but which type of sugar? It is a disaccharide, yani double sugar. It is made up of glucose and glucose, so this is maltose. As a revision, starch into the mouth is transformed into maltose by the action of salivary amylase. Okay, but maltose is not the end product of the digestion of starch. So the digestion should be completed. In this test tube, they put maltose and they add to the test tube intestinal juice. Intestinal juice, the juice contains an enzyme that acts on maltose, yes, and they place the test tube in a water bath at temperature 37. Okay, so the experiment and the result here, the result, uh, they see the results by a test. It is the name of this test. It is called the glucose test strip. So this is the strip. مثل الستريب اللي بيستعملوها المرضى تاع السكري ليفحصوا to check for the sugar of the blood ليفحص السكري عندهم. هلا هون عندنا الستريب تيست، هيدا شيء تاني. We bring this strip test بعد about 15 minutes. We put it inside the test tube. هلا if the strip test أعطتني give me this color, this means that the presence of glucose. This means that the maltose which are present in this test tube is transformed into glucose. Okay. إذا الفايولت يلي هو اللايت فايولت الفاتح معناتها في عنا جلوكوز، أما إذا أعطاني الأورنج color معناتها there is no glucose، يعني there is no digestion. So this is a glucose strip test. As shown here, the color of the strip is violet. This means that maltose, which is present into the test tube after a certain period of time, is transformed into glucose by the action of what? By the action of the intestinal juice that contains which enzyme? Maltase. Maltase transforms maltose into glucose. So the end product is glucose. So pay attention. Watch the video more than one time.